In the previous video, you learned what LoRa is. Now it's time for the real test. In the next few minutes, we will connect this module and check whether it's alive or dead. If you get one simple reply, you are officially inside the LoRa world. Welcome to part 0.2 of the LoRa Mastery series. In this video, we will do three things. First, connect the hardware. Second, open the serial monitor. And third, send our first add command. For this setup, you need only three things. One RYLR999 Lite module, one USB to TTL converter, and one LoRa antenna. Now, this step is mandatory. Never power a LoRa module without an antenna. Now, let's connect the module. VCC of RYLR999 goes to 5 volt or 3.5 volt on the USB to TTL. Ground goes to ground. TX of the module goes to RX of the USB to TTL converter. RX of the module goes to TX of the TTL converter. TX and RX are always crossed. This is where most beginners make mistakes. Now, connect the USB TTL to your computer. Open the serial monitor. Set the baud rate to 115200. This setting is very important. Please ensure this is done. Now comes the moment of truth. Type this command. Now press enter. If everything is correct, you will see just one reply plus OK. That single reply means your module works perfectly. If you don't see any reply, don't panic. Check the baud rate, check RX and TX connections, check power, and check whether the antenna is connected. 90% issues are wiring or serial settings. Now, this step is extremely important. If your module responds to add command, everything else will work. If this step fails, nothing will work. So make sure this is perfect before moving ahead. In the next video, part 0.3, we will configure address, network ID, and frequency. This is where most people fail and where you will become different. If you want to master long range wireless communication without internet, subscribe now and follow this series in order. All links are in description.